So I'd never been to anywhere south in the Americas, and I wanted to do Mexico, I want to do Brazil, Argentina. So I was looking at all the different possibilities, and this was ideal for like 7 to 10 days, the time off that I could get. So it worked out. And I don't speak Spanish. That was the other thing. I wanted to do flashback. I couldn't have done it on my own. As soon as I read what all activities we would be doing, the cooking class was one that I was really looking forward to. It seemed like the whole day we would just be engaged in figuring out the menu, getting the ingredients, getting all of the dishes ready. And I like cooking. I like cooking back at home. And I'm looking forward to doing a Mexican night at home with everything that we learned. So it was fun. Pack Leader Joselyn, she was excellent. She was really good in explaining all of the details. There was certainly a lot of culture and history, but she gave us a good blend of stuff that we would enjoy with the demographic and the age group. And it was good. She really took care of us. I hadn't done group travel till 2019. And I didn't know what to expect. And having done that then, and then this is my third flashback, I think every time I travel with a group, it's fun to meet people the first night and you don't know what their personalities are in the first 1 day or 2 days, kind of learn more about them. But towards the end of the trip, and even afterwards, I feel you reflect on your experience, your growth from that, and also from others. You learn from others, and some people you stay connected with, and some people you fade off, but you're still kind of on Instagram, Facebook, or you text on WhatsApp or whatever once in a while. So I think from a group travel perspective, you make friends, acquaintances, depending on how the scenario plays out, but you learn a lot. So I think that is the one part about group travel that I didn't know before. And having done it, I think I enjoy that. I also think there are things which are more immersive. Experiences are more immersive. Like, I don't know if I would do a cooking class on my own. If I spoke Spanish, then I was brave enough to come to Mexico on my own. Would I do cooking class on my own? I don't know that. Taco crawl, maybe yes, but more immersive kind of experiences, kayaking, hot air balloon, paragliding, cooking class, those are things you enjoy as a group. The group helps you because everybody's looking forward to doing the same kind of things, and it's just a fun time. The whole group was together and everybody was having fun. I think the other one that I would think was the Tregenera, the canal boats that we had. That was a lot of fun too. That was the first day. We were still getting to know each other, but it was a party boat. We all got floral headbands. Even the guys got floral headbands, which was funny, but it was a lot of fun. We had mariachi band playing on one side, and it was just a lot of fun.